Indonesia is a vast archipelago consisting of over 18,000 islands, making it the largest island nation on the planet. Among these islands, Bali is the most renowned and unforgettable, often the first place people envision when thinking of Indonesia. Located approximately 1,000 kilometers from the bustling capital of Jakarta, Bali is bordered by Java to the west, known for its rich cultural tapestry, and Lombok to the east, celebrated for its stunning beaches. Bali spans an area of 5,780 square kilometers, comparable to Delaware or roughly 9 times the size of New York City. Its shape is often likened to a chicken, with its beak facing the Indian Ocean, while others compare it to a fish swimming gracefully in the sea. Interestingly, Bali is not merely an island but a province made up of 4 distinct islands. Despite its modest size, Bali has a population of around 4.3 million people, akin to Bulgaria, contributing to its vibrant and lively atmosphere. Indonesia is a linguistic wonderland, home to more than 700 different languages, making it the second most linguistically diverse nation in the world. While it's impossible for anyone to know all these languages, the majority of Indonesians communicate in Bahasa Indonesia, the official language. Alongside this, many can converse in Bahasa Bali, the traditional tongue of the Balinese, and a significant number are fluent in English, easing connections for tourists. When Indonesia is mentioned, Bali is often the first destination that springs to mind. In fact, half of all visitors to Indonesia come to experience the unique life of Bali. So, what is it about this island that draws so much attention compared to the other 17,999 islands? As you wander through the lively streets of Denpasar, the natural beauty of Balinese women will captivate you. Their radiant smiles illuminate their sun-kissed faces, radiating a genuine charm that feels both timeless and authentic. Many adorn themselves in vibrant sarongs and kabayas, showcasing simple yet elegant patterns inspired by nature. Upon encountering local women, they will greet you with clasped hands, bowing slightly while saying Om Swastiastu, a heartfelt expression of peace and goodwill. You can respond with a smile and a bow, reflecting the warmth and hospitality that the locals exude. The streets are always bustling, filled with motorcycles and bicycles as the primary means of transport. Tourists often find it surprising how effortlessly locals navigate the crowded streets without feeling rushed or annoyed. In the markets of Denpasar, colorful floral offerings known as kanang sari can be seen at street corners. This is part of the daily rituals of the Balinese people. Though tourists may occasionally step on them, locals kindly replace the offerings without showing displeasure. At Badung Market, vibrant stalls overflow with life, filled with tropical fruits like mangoes and pineapples stacked high. The rich aroma of spices and sizzling street food wafts through the air. Vendors greet you with friendly smiles and a mix of broken English and enthusiastic gestures, eager to share the stories behind their handcrafted goods. Bargaining here is more than just a transaction, it's a cultural tradition. Vendors relish the lively negotiations, and tourists are encouraged to join in with a friendly approach. The street food stalls are attractions all on their own, as skilled cooks whip up local delicacies like nasi goreng and satay. The sweet scent of fried bananas mingles with the spices of Balinese roast pork, enticing you to sample the flavors. If you're curious about the purchasing power of $1 in Bali, you'll be amazed at how far your money can go. For example, meals can cost as little as $1, allowing you to enjoy many experiences without breaking the bank. Amidst the lively streets, locals often gather to play sepak takraw, an exciting game where players skillfully maneuver a woven ball with their feet. These matches attract enthusiastic crowds, creating a vibrant atmosphere. Occasionally, you may witness the Balinese Day of Silence, when the streets fall eerily quiet, and life pauses as locals reflect and meditate. This creates a surreal experience across the island. In contrast, the days leading up to this serene time feature the lively Penggrupukan festival, known for its Ogo-Ogo parade filled with giant colorful effigies and traditional music. Following the Day of Silence, there's a charming festival of affection, where young men and women gather in pairs to share friendly embraces, symbolizing unity and affection. Bali is also home to an array of stunning beaches that attract tourists. Sanur Beach, located just 6 kilometers from Denpasar, is famous for its gorgeous white sands and serene atmosphere. Nusa Dua Beach, stretching around 5 kilometers, is known for its clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. Bali's beaches provide exhilarating surfing experiences, allowing you to ride turquoise waves while being cheered on by spectators. At sunset, Kuta comes alive as Bali's nightlife hub, buzzing with energy and offering something for everyone. While Bali is a fantastic destination, it does come with certain natural risks that travelers should be aware of, such as playful monkeys and occasional jellyfish. However, the island boasts a well-developed healthcare system, featuring international hospitals that cater to both tourists and locals. Lastly, the cost of living in Bali is relatively low compared to many developed countries. Monthly rent can vary widely, with small apartments costing anywhere from $200 to $600. Dining out is also affordable, with meals ranging from $2 to $20. Bali truly stands out as a destination offering incredible value for money, making it a dream location for both travelers and those seeking long-term residency. If you're considering Bali for your next vacation or a permanent move, it might just be the perfect choice. Thank you for joining us in this travel documentary about the wonders of Bali.